you all doing? Welcome back, and I'm Pujita Reddy Gosla. In my last two videos, I discussed four characters: Gorakant, Charumati, Chitramala from Bela Kingdom, and Sage Bhavani from Sanatani Ashram. In today's video, I would be discussing about a tribal clan who lives in the forest called Suparnasuvara. The significance of this forest is that there are huge number of eagles that are gigantic, powerful, and very cunning. So, what is the relationship between this tribal clan and these eagles is that they live for one another. They are more than best friends. These eagles are always commanded by this tribal clan in order to get their food. So these eagles pick up food from different places by picking up human babies or animals or birds, and from a very long distance they drop that particular creature on a big rock that is arranged by this tribal clan. Once that particular creature falls and breaks the head, the entire tribal clan surrounds the rock and starts eating the fresh flesh of that particular creature. So now, how do they look? They do not have a particular skin complexion because nobody knows. It is because of their hobby or a general routine they follow. The forest is extremely vast. They keep walking and walking and walking. If at all they halt at a particular place in the forest, they pick up mud or soil from that particular spot and apply all over their body. And again they continue with their walking. If they halt in some other place, and again they repeat the process. This is part of their culture, and they don't take bath at all. They don't brush their teeth. That is why there are a lot of stains on their teeth, and very foul smell comes when they speak. How do they look? They are all very tall personalities, and their average height is 5 feet 11 inches. They have very lean personalities because they are always walking, so there's no point that any fat stays in their body. They have nails that are very large, and some are entangled and some are broken. Their hair is messed up, it's bushy because they never comb their hair. They do not wear clothes, but they don't look awkward because there is mud or soil always applied on their body. And their eye pupil are grey in color. Now you got the entire picture of how this tribal clan look. This is one of my favorite tribal clan in several tribal clans that I created in the story. There are two important things about this tribal clan. One is they are good at heart. If they help somebody, they really help. But it is because they are uncivilized, they are following this kind of lifestyle. Second thing, they are blessed with the ability to communicate and command the eagles. So, who can send pictures? People of the age group between 60 and 100 years, both male and female, can send pictures to appear as this tribal clan in the book and become part of the storytelling. So now you know the drill. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you think any of your friend can fit in any of the roles discussed so far, please do update about this video to them. Thank you, and stay tuned for my next videos.